Welcome to Quilt Block Studio. Today we are going to build the X block. You're going to need 3 different high contrasting colors. To make this block, we are going to use 4 squares of aqua, each 4 3/4 inch square, a single square of raspberry, which is also 4 3/4 inches. We're going to use 2 squares of white that are 3 7/8. Then you're going to cut those once on the diagonal to yield 4 small triangles. You're going to need another square of white, which is 7 1/4 inches square, and then you're going to cut that twice on the diagonal to yield 4 larger triangles. This block is very simple. It's just a matter of laying it out correctly and sewing it together in rows. Our raspberry is going to go in the center on a diagonal. It's going to look like a diamond in the middle. You're going to continue placing your aqua squares around that raspberry square to create that X look. And then at the center of each side is going to go one of those large triangles. We're going to finish this off with the small triangles at the outer corners. Bum, bum, bum. And now you're simply going to sew this together in rows. Begin with your center row, stitch this row, and stitch this row. Add on those little triangles, join your 3 rows together, and you have got a completed X block. Have fun!